In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a calendar in HubSpot. First, let's start by accessing your HubSpot account. To do this, look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you will see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to enter the settings area. This is an important first step because all the configurations you need to make will be found here. You will notice that the screen changes, revealing a wide array of options on the left sidebar. This is where you can customize various aspects of your HubSpot account. Once you have clicked the settings icon, the next action is to navigate to the General section in the left sidebar. This section contains fundamental settings that affect your entire HubSpot account. Scroll down a bit and you will see General listed among other options. Selecting General is crucial because it contains the foundational settings that will allow you to integrate your calendar effectively. You will now be able to see different tabs at the top of the main window, which will guide you through the configuration process. Now, your next step is to click on the Calendar tab at the top of the General settings. This tab is specifically designed for calendar-related settings, making it easier for you to connect and manage your calendar integrations. When you click on it, you will see options that pertain to calendar settings. This is a critical moment, as this tab holds the key to connecting your calendar, whether it's Google or Office 365. From here, click on the Connect Your Calendar button. This action will prompt you to select your preferred calendar provider. You will see options for Google or Office 365. Choosing the right provider is essential because it determines how your calendar will sync with HubSpot. Once you click on your choice, you will be taken to a new screen that prepares you for the sign-in process. Next up, follow the sign-in prompts that appear on your screen. This typically involves entering your email and password for the selected calendar provider. Be sure to enter the correct credentials to ensure a smooth connection. After entering your information, you will likely need to grant HubSpot permissions to access your calendar. This step is vital for allowing HubSpot to manage your calendar events seamlessly. It ensures that your meetings and appointments are synchronized without any hassle. Finally, once you have granted the necessary permissions, you should see a confirmation that your calendar is connected. This confirmation is reassuring as it indicates that everything is set up correctly. You can now return to your HubSpot dashboard and begin using your calendar integration. This integration will save you time and keep your scheduling organized, allowing you to focus more on your work. In conclusion, setting up a calendar in HubSpot is a straightforward process. You start with accessing the settings, navigate to the General section, and then to the Calendar tab. After connecting your calendar provider and signing in, you grant permissions and await confirmation. Each step is designed to ensure that you have a functional calendar that enhances your productivity. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly integrated calendar in HubSpot.